Little baby Angoras, born overnight. Oh my golly gosh, I haven't even counted yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10? Whoa! It's a big litter. Day 2. Three days old. 4 days. 5 days. 6 days. 7 days. 1 week old. I'll start doing every 2 days now. 9 days. 11 days. 13 days. 15 days. At 15 days, they're starting to open their eyes, and their wool color is becoming much more obvious. Their mom is really trying to get in here. Yui, hi Ninja. Little Angoras at 17 days. So let's take a minute to look at each one now that they are colored up. We got one little sweet little tort. Pretty copper on his back, silvery underneath. Ooh, we're wiggly. A black. And this guy's a chocolate. Or a brown. Hi, little cuteling. Oh, they're so sweet. To be held. And this little cutie, a tinted color, possibly also some type of tort. It's got a darker belly. And this one as well, a different color, but the same sort of thing, where ears, nose, feet, tail are darker, and underneath the belly is a little bit darker if you get the right angle, which I'm not, but another tort. Hi, cutie. Super chill one. Oh, and 2 more torts. Let's have a look at you. This one, I think, is going to have spectacular wool because already, look at that. Oh, you're a stunner. And the last one. Wee-ha! Woo! There we go. Another tort. We have got, oh my goodness, we have an audience, look. Hi girls and boy. Oh my goodness. Alright, and then, so we put our last one back in. There you go. And I keep finding them outside of the nest box now too, when I come out. So now that their eyes are open, they take it upon themselves to hop out of the box, and then I usually put them back in. 23 days old. So cute. "28 days old. Here's how they look at 4 weeks. And their mommy Ninja. "5 weeks old. Here's our babies at 6 weeks. They're always right at the edge of the door. They always want to be pet or come and visit. Thanks for letting us watch you grow.